Good morning. Welcome back to the homestead. This is Kathy, and I'm just getting started around here. Excuse me. Dragonflies are out in full force this morning. That's good because there's been mosquitoes out here like crazy since all that rain. So today, I'm going to get to work on this driveway a bit. Those weeds are already way too tall. Isn't this pretty ground cover? It's some kind of wild plant. I'm not sure what, but I think it's beautiful. I'm gonna go look at it. Isn't that so pretty? I almost hate to cut them down. Look what a beautiful garden. It's really pretty, but I'll leave the flowers over on the sides. I love those yellow daisies. They look wonderful with these little purple ones. Well, that's better. I gotta bring my loppers down and cut back some of these mesquite trees. Get my chainsaw out and cut down some of those dead ones. Well, look at that. It's a little prickly pear. Not too far off the driveway. It's got some fruit on it. I think I'm going to cut those off and see what they taste like before the javelinas get them. That's awesome. Look at that. I like the color, they're so pretty. I used my old cutting board because I bet these stain pretty good. Look at that. You're just supposed to pick that up and eat it? I don't know. Well, it's good, but it's full of a million little seeds. I wonder how you're supposed to eat that. I have to look it up. Maybe juice them? I could put them through my juicer. They taste very good. A little bit tart, but kind of sweet. They're good. I'm not sure how you eat them or what you do with them, but I've always been curious what they would taste like. Now I can say I've tried them. Well, I've been working away on this wall. I've got to let another load of my dirt, sand, and straw here for tomorrow. It is 95 degrees right now. It's getting hot, so I'm opting out. So I appreciate you as always being here. You know, it's really a pleasure to share this journey with you. I think you know that. And, you know, I never even thought that becoming a YouTube partner would be a possibility because, I mean, I'm just this little old person, you know, living out here building this. And I didn't know if there would be any interest or not, but there seems to be. So I thought, well, I'll just keep going and see how we do. Well, now YouTube changed. They changed the requirements for being a YouTube partner. So you see my ads on there all the time, but they don't pay me. So if you bought me a cup of coffee, I appreciate that so much. That really helps me out. But anyway, if I was a YouTube partner, then I'd get paid for those ads. So they have decided instead of 3,000 watch hours, you're going to need 4,000 watch hours. I've got about half to get to 3,000. They're not going to change it till this coming next year in February. So I feel like I have plenty of time. And we're getting those new subscribers every day, which I just love that. Thank you so much for subscribing. And my true blue subscribers that come back every time, I appreciate you very much. So anyhow, I'm pretty sure I can get to 1,000. What is that? To about 220 more by February. Hopefully people will come by that have some interest in this little project. And I need those watch hours. If I don't get 3,000 watch hours, which is about 1,500 more watch hours I need by February. So if you got to clean the kitchen, you can turn my video on and listen to it while you're cleaning, or, you know, whatever you're up to. That would really help me out a lot. But I gotta say, from the beginning, even when I just had a little bit, your comments have been so awesome and supportive, and I just really appreciate you guys. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and post this video, and I'm going to not work out here anymore because it's getting hotter than the blazes. So you all take real good care, and I'm always sending you the best. I'll see you next time.